Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making Egusi and Achi soup. This combo is a must try, very delicious. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. The first step is to cook my choice of proteins, goat meat and pre-cooked stripes. I'm going to add my seasoning powder and salt. I will mix very well to combine, cover and allow it to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. While that is cooking, I will go ahead and wash my dry fish really well by adding hot water and allow it to sit for 3 minutes. I will take it to my sink, wash it really well, debone it and set aside for later use. Here is my stockfish fillet, which I have also washed. Over here are my other ingredients: 2.5 tablespoons of rounded achi, half cup of egusi, eroso, ozeza seed and crayfish. I'll blend and set aside. At this time, I check on the proteins and add the washed dry fish, stockfish, and add more water that will be enough for the soup. I will add my palm oil, cover and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Five minutes later, I check on the soup and add my scotch bonnet pepper, crayfish, grounded ozeza seed, ogiri Igbo, and the grounded egusi and eroso. I will gently mix, cover and allow it to cook for at least 6 to 8 minutes. 5 minutes later, I check on it and love the consistency. I will add my okazi leaves, grilled mackerel fish, 1 seasoning cube, more crayfish. I will mix very well to combine, cover and allow it to cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes.
Delicious.
5 minutes later, we are done. It turned out so delicious. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.